Welcome back, everybody. Today we're just talking about volumes of 3D objects, particularly rectangular prisms and cubes. So to find the volume of a rectangular prism, all you need to do is multiply three measurements: the length, width, and height. In this problem, the length, width, and height are 2, 9, and 6. So we just need to multiply those three together. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 times 6, 108. So we would say this as 108. We say cubic inches, or inches cubed. Let's look at another one here. Here we have another rectangular prism, and the length, width, and height are 10, 18, and 3. And in a calculator you can plug that in real quick. 10 times 18 times 3, we get 540. The volume of this rectangular prism, 540 cubic inches. So pretend you just a 1-inch cube. Cube, 3 dimensions, all sides are the same. 1 cubic inch, there's 540 of them that could fit into this rectangular prism, box looking shape. And speaking of cubes, let's just say we had a cube, and I will try to draw a quick sketch of one here. Cube is a rectangular prism. All 3 sides are the same. And in this problem, they want to know the volume of a cube. That one side is 1.5 centimeters. So the formula, just take the side times itself. It's the length, width, and height all the same. In this problem, 1.5 raised to the 3rd power, 1.5 times itself 3 times. Calculator says 3.375, and this would be cubic centimeters. There you go. I hope these examples help you understand how to find volume of a rectangular prism and a cube a lot easier. Thank you for watching.